Go. Yeah, you got it.
You got it.
Yeah.
Shoulder spot.
Yeah. Don't move here. Okay? Yeah. Go. Yeah. You see here? I'm fighting, but his power is here. And then don't move your hand. Okay? Go. No, don't move your hand.
Don't move your hand. Just focus
Only
this
here.
spot here.
Go. No, you are moving already. See?
Yeah.
Go. Go.
Go ahead.
I need somebody else. No, you're here. Yeah. Okay, ignore here. Okay.
This is the spot.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah, that's it.
hinge. That's it.
Yeah, you're adding here. Don't add
forget the
here.
hand.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
here.
No. Just stay there. Okay, go.
No,
See,
pushing with the hand.
You're pushing me, right? No. You are still on the hand.
Right.
Although you're looking at your elbow. Yeah.
Don't let this retreat.
No, don't fight here. Just leave it there. Yeah,
Hand dead. Hand's dead.
It's dead.
Only the elbow. Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to be strong at all
Still
because
fighting here.
because
Yeah, I
this
feel it,
move
that's
is
why.
causing me. It's not how strong you are here.
Right.
Okay, let's do it my way. Now he's in the.
Right.
Now go there. Do it yourself and see you're fighting me with your hand. No, don't fight. Just leave
Get
it.
the hand.
Leave it there. No, you're so fighting already. No, let go of your hand.
Release.
Yeah. Only do this here. Go. No, can't do it. Right? Now watch. Yeah. To see yourself how you did it. Yeah, go. Wrong. Go again. Yeah, better. This part is the best. No, stay there. This is the part. And don't move. Touch here. Just light touch. Push it up. Feel that. Lower. Start roughly here. Now go. Elbow. Push. Yeah. Now it's captured. You can look at yourself how it's done. Because as soon as you're not being showed, you're going to do this. Yeah. It's a pumping action from the middle.